Hello friend, welcome back to my another video. The year 2025 set to bring powerful cosmic shift will impact the USA like never before. From the Saturn in Pisces to the Pluto in Aquarius, this planetary transit will influence the economy, politics and personal lives of the millions. How will the Pluto in Aquarius era transform technology and leadership in USA? Will Saturn in Pisces bring financial stability or market uncertainty? The impact of Jupiter and Uranus in Gemini on innovation and wealth creation. Key astrology dates to March 2025 for major changes. Don't miss this Vedic astrology analysis tailored for the USA. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for astrological insight. Welcome to the Vedic astrology. Today we are discussing a major astrological insight 2025 and their impact on US. This year marks a period of massive cosmic shifts with Pluto, Saturn, Jupiter and Uranus bringing in new challenges and opportunity. This transit will influence the country's political landscape, financial markets and even the collective consciousness of its people. If you are living in USA and want to understand how this planet changes will impact your career, relationship and finance, stay and tuned the end. Number 1. Pluto, the planet of transformation, power and rebirth, will enter Aquarius in late 2024 and will remain there until 2044. This marks the beginning of a major change in both the community and society. Pluto in Aquarius, the new age of transformation. November 19, 2024 to March 9, 2024, Pluto transition into Aquarius is a once in a lifetime event that will redefine the US's technological social structures. This shift signifies a rise AI, robotic, futuristic industries, a transformation in leadership and political power, mass movement for digital right and decentralization. Historically, Pluto's move into Aquarius has always signaled renovation and paradigm shift, major changes in how power is distributed. Why younger generations damaging more quality and technological advancement, reshaping and workforce. For individuals, Pluto in Aquarius urges personal transformation through technology and innovation. It's a great time to learn digital skill, invest in AI driven sectors and embrace unconventional career paths. Saturn in Pisces, the end of the illusions. Saturn, the taskmaster planet in Pisces, brings reality in spirituality, finance, mental health. The USA will experience a push of stricter financial regulation, increased focus on mental health and emotional well-being. Downfall. The downfall of industries built on illusion such as crypto scam. Personal level, this is a time to be cautious with investment, avoid speculative risk and instead of focus on building long-term financial security. For spirituality, Saturn in Pisces encourages realistic spiritual practices such as disciplined meditation rather than blind faith. Jupiter in Uranus, financial shift and innovations. Jupiter, the planet of expansion, joining Uranus, the planet of sudden changes in Taurus, will revolutionize the financial landscape of the USA. Aspect. Boom in AI, blockchain and digital finance. New investment opportunities in sustainable energy and space tech. Market volatility with unexpected financial crashes and rebounds. For individuals, this is a golden period to explore new financial opportunities. Investment in AI-driven stocks, green energy, innovative startup can yield huge returns. However, Uranus also brings a sudden shift, so be financially cautious. diversify your income sources. Key astrological dates to watch in 2025. Certain planetary alignments in 2025 will act as turning point for USA. April 2025, the total solar eclipse in Aries, a bold new era for leadership and innovation. July 5, 2025, Jupiter trine Pluto, a financial and technological breakthrough moment. October 29, 2025, lunar eclipse in Taurus, major economic shift, stock market turbulence. This date will shape government policies, financial market and personal growth opportunities. At the end of this video, I would like to repeat, the year 2025 will be the turning point for USA. By technological evolution, financial shifts and deep spiritual awakenings. With Pluto in Aquarius, we will witness a new age of AI, decentralization and global transformation. Saturn in Pisces will bring discipline to finance and spirituality, while Jupiter and Uranus in Taurus will open the door, embrace technology and digital learning, develop structures, spiritual practices. If you want to more astrological insight for USA, like and share. Subscribe to Vedic Astrology USA. Comment below which transit you are the most excited about.